Here's Robbie telling Greg he can hunt them wild dogs on his own. Robbie's staying in the truck.
Well, it's nearly dusk. We're here in Botswana, in the Okavango Delta, Mormay Game Reserve. We've just camped at Third Bridge. Saw some wild dogs. They're chasing an impala. I decided to grab my spear, go off into the bush, see if I could find them. I think they're hunting down that impala. Wanted to have Robbie come along, but he's hiding in the truck again, his usual place to be. As you can see, it's approaching dusk. Well, if I don't make it back, I hope this tape makes it back. Say hi to my family. Off.
Well, this is what we're after. The elusive wild dog.
Oh my God. He's got big old good stuff in his mouth. Sorry, I'm moving.
Wait a second. Do you guys hear that? Oh man, just as I thought, this dog kill has attracted the lion pride nearby. I better get out of here. Get back and protect Robbie.
Well, that was quite a sight, wasn't it? Watching those dogs tear that Impala apart. Thrilling. I only wish Robbie could have been. Tried to get him out of the truck, but, you know, he's scared of them predators. Now I gotta head back to camp, set up the tent, gather some firewood, start the fire, cook the meal, serve it to Robbie, clean up afterwards, and then tuck him in. Goodbye.
Well, here's Robbie jumping out of the truck when I got back to camp, trying not to be caught. Well, here's the firewood I gathered on the way back and the fire I built